Hi, welcome to this video. Today's video we are going to evaluate this nice expression of limit. The limit of 4 to x minus 1 over a to x minus 1, x is approaching to 0. Okay, before I start evaluating this limit, I want to remind you about something very important. Okay, it's called indeterminate forms. When you calculate your limit and find your limit on this form, for example 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity or infinity minus infinity or 0 multiplied by infinity or 0 to 0 or 1 to infinity or infinity to 0 is called indeterminate form. Okay, so at that point change your form into another form which can help you to reduce your form to find your limit easily. Okay, so let's start now. For example, we see first thing we should do, we try our limit by plugging 0 into x to see. You may find this limit is as on this form. If you find on this form, then we decide what to do. Okay, let's start. So if you plug in 0 into this equation here, into this fraction, okay, it's giving us 4 to 0, which is 1 minus 1 equals 0 over, if you plug in 0 to x here into x, which is 8 to 0 is 1 minus 1 is 0 over 0 equals 0 0 over 0. This is indeterminate form, which we saw here now. We see. So we are going to change another way to solve our limit. So let's start for example 4 to x minus 1 over 8 to x minus 1 equal exponential x natural log 4 minus 1 over exponential x natural log 8 minus 1. I want you to follow with me here. This is the connection between exponential and natural log. We have x to n equal exponential n to natural log of x. It's very important to remember this one. Okay, and then also you have another rule in natural log of x to n equal n, take n out of the natural log, which is n multiplied by natural log of x. Okay, so this one equal x natural log 2 raised to 2 as a power. We have this root 2 minus 1. Okay, you can put it right away here. Oh, yeah, to make it very clear, like on this way. Okay, minus 1 over exponential x natural log 2 to 3 minus 1. Okay, so our fraction become 4 to x minus 1 over 8 to x minus 1 equal this one. You can put it in this way too. Okay, yeah, now we can take it outside. 2x natural log of 2 minus 1 over exponential 3 times x natural log of 3 minus 1. Okay, this one you can put it in this form too, x natural log of 2, okay, power 2 minus 1 to x exponential x natural log of 2 power 3 minus 1. Okay, so you take a look at here, you see exponential x natural log 2, and then and denominator we see exponential x natural log of 2. We can make the substitution. Okay, let's put x exponential natural log 2 equal t, right? So our fraction become t the power 3 minus 1 over t2 minus 1 t3 minus 1. Okay, now if you see this one, we are able to factor this one, right? So this one to x minus 1, 8 to x minus 1 equal this one, t to 2 minus 1 over t power 3 minus 1. See this one, you can put it in this way. We have identity, okay? We have identity of a to 2 minus b to 2 equal factor a minus b factor a plus b, right? It's easy to factor it. In the bottom 2 we have t minus 1 factor t squared plus t plus 1, right? What is this? Now you cancel out this one. Now you will find t plus 2 t plus 1 over t squared plus t plus 1, right? So now we apply our limit here. So the limit, be careful when you apply the limit, you mirror the substitution here. So x, you have x, plug in the 0 into x, but in the t you have to find the t, right? So we know x, natural log x, limit as a rule when x going to 0 from the right hand side equals 0, that's mean exponential x natural log, okay? No, this one is easy to calculate it because you have natural log of 2, right? So this one we don't need that rule, just easy. You plug 0 here, 0 multiplied by natural log 2 equals 0, exponential 0 is 1, so t is going to 1, as x is going to 0, okay, t is going to 1. This is very easy to make it. So your limit 4 to x minus 1, this is x over 8 to x minus 1 when x is going to 0, but here the limit to this one, t plus 1 over t squared plus t plus 1 when t is going to 1. So now plug in 1 into your fraction, you will find 1 plus 1 over 1 squared plus 1 plus 1, which is 2 over 3. Okay, your limit is calculated. Okay, thank you for watching. I see you in next video. Bye.